Ground floor tayo, babata niyo. Nakatingin pa lang? Bibigyan ka ng banana, ayaw mo.
Sabi, bisit ako sa'yo. Wala ka man lang malasakit, di.
Malasakit.
Hindi mo man ako patulogin.
Di ba ito nga New York is the city that never sleeps?
Ay, ikaw yun. Ako nag-isip ako.
I'm a New Yorker.
Parang may hawak mo yung accent.
Di ba? Ang dami-dami yung gawain dito para mag-makan ng pizza.
Pero ganyan ang ano sa baba.
I don't think, Mami. I think the people here are very tolerable. I think so. Kaya siguro marami nito sa bayan. Yung nagkaroon ng diverse. Yung malakas, panghina, wala sila pakialam. The crazier you are, the more normal you are. I think so. No, the crazier, huwag mo lang yung personal bubble nila. Hindi po that sa akin. Okay, ground floor, south. Information.
Bakit mas mura dito, Port Authority?
Pero hanggang hindi pa tayo makabalik sa bahay ko. Bakit? Kasi subway pa tayo eh. 11 na.
Mababa ba ulit?
Hindi. Ground floor lang tayo. This is the ground floor. Puro Hudson. Winner man.
They told me that I could take the 319, but then to take it to Tom's River and then get off over there and take Ocean City.
Malabas mo yung ano mo. Pass mo.
Can you hold?
Where the 319 goes to Tom's River? Where in Tom's River? Where is their information desk? Do they have it? On the bottom floor here?
Hello, good morning. How are you? Good, thank you. We're going to Woodbury. We have the sightseeing pass.
Okay, you need to go to ticket window 11 and change it so you can get the ticket.
So,
Straight ahead to the left.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
To the left. Mailabas mo na si ano mo? Si
Alin dito? Adult?
adult. Every time na pa ano yung parang ipalit-alit.
Dapat ini-screenshot ko na.
Hindi, tapos naman tayo. Okay. Basta adult lang. Tapos na. 11. Ay, anong tayo mag-picture? Mag-picture ako. Ano pala?
Tanong mo muna ba? Bakit? At pag sinagot mo, bakit?
I want to take a picture. Is it allowed lang? Bakit allowed? Tanong ko lang siya, lapitan mo. Can I ask a question? We've been here for 2 weeks, and I've been meaning to take a photo with you guys. Are you allowed to take a photo?
It's okay. You can.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Mami, pwede! We're Filipino, we're from Manila.
Oh, Manila. Oh, nice.
It's
okay.
I've been pushed.
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
In the middle.
Thank you so much.
Okay, go 1, 2, 3. And 1 again, 2, 3.
Sino with the wife?
So much.
Thank you.
Huh?
Wife.
Ah,
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful island.
1, 2. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Yeah, we're gonna come.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry to bother you.
We have
This-
given us that. We have our training men. We go to the beach.
Yeah. And this is where you say thank you for your service, right? Thank you. Thank you so much.
What time?
Oh.
Straight?
Ito. Ticketing here.
Hindi.
11.